Welcome friends. In this tutorial, we will be installing Ruby. I'm running on Windows machine and the installation process of Ruby in Windows is different than any other operating system. You can Google on any other operating system if you are working. You will find several links that provides installation on that particular operating system. But for Windows, I found out this website which calls rubyinstallers.org. We are here and go on and click on this download button. In this Ruby installer archives, you'll find several releases from which click on the latest one and it will download the Ruby installer. Since I have already downloaded the Ruby, let me install it. When you run the installer, it will ask for the language. Select English. Then there is a license. You have to accept the license. Click on Next. Then it will ask for the location. We will choose C. And from here, we will select Ruby folder. We'll check all these options and click on Install. It will install the Ruby language runtime for us. It may take a little time. Here we are. It says completing the Ruby 1.9.3 setup wizard. Click on Finish. After that, we will go to our Ruby folder, which is C/Ruby. So we are into our C drive and Ruby folder. This is the installation folder which says Ruby 193, where 193 is the version code. We will go to this bean folder and here you can find this irb.bat file. Open it up and it will open the interactive Ruby for us. If you don't find this, you can go to Start menu and look for the Ruby installation folder. From there, you will find the link to interactive Ruby. Just to test that the Ruby is installed correctly, just hit and type 1 plus 1. It should return 2 and it is doing the same. So this is how we can download and install Ruby, and from the very next tutorial we will be start working with Ruby. Thank you.